Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Because a fantastic look PNG update. It is looking fantastic. Now I know in terms of price, it's not the best, but look where I had marked out, right? I had this area marked up from the previous videos, and you can go check, right? I said how I believe PNG is going to tap into this order block, how it's likely, and how I believe once we tap, close above this blue area, right? This second blue box, that we're gonna start reversing. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, this thing tapped and pretty much recovered instantly. I mean, look at it. This is a 5-minute candle, and this is the bottom of the wick, and this is where the candle closed. So within 5 minutes, the price already retraced. If we go on the minute chart, price at this area was not even here for a whole minute, because this is a minute candle, and by the 26th minute, price has already recovered. So if I break it down even further, right, go into 30 seconds, it wasn't even there for 30 seconds. If I go into 15 seconds, guys, it was there for literally a couple of seconds. Literally a couple of seconds. If I break it down to to seconds, 1 second drop, right? It went up the second, slammed down the third second, fourth second it recovered, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. By the 8th second, it was out of here. So you could have only got in at this price for literally 2 to 3 seconds. That's so if you had a buy limit, you would have got it. If you didn't, then you missed it. And this is why I always say I believe the markets are manipulated and I won't be told otherwise. I don't believe investors coincidentally just sold off there at that perfect price where we had marked up for a reason and recovered within 2 seconds. I really don't. And like I said, this mentality has helped me with my trading career. And look, ladies and gentlemen, things are looking good because if we look at the daily candle, right, and we get rid of this red box here, we can see that not only is this a huge rejection, right, huge sell rejection, but it actually closed very, very well. It closed pretty much on top of this blue box, not in it, not kind of like near the bottoms or not a little bit below, right above the blue box, which is looking fantastic. It closed above the floor and it had its manipulation wick. So I truly do believe, yo guys, this is gonna be some of the last times. I know I've been saying this for a little bit now, but I'm telling you, right? I'm telling you, when this candle, right, when I made this video on PNG, the candle was somewhere up here. By the time the video came out, candle closed. This was a good sign, right? And we sold off. The whole Trump thing happened, right? Boom, wick manipulation. And now, like I said, for me, that is just more and more confirmation that everything is good with PNG. Now, if you want more confirmation, once again, we got to go above the 27, 28 cent zone, right? Because at that point, we're going to turn this this resistance into support. We're going to be break structure on multiple levels, right? And then, of course, going back to the main zone of 36 cents, right, where we have a lot of support here, right, at this current moment's resistance, because we have to, we have to retest off and break through it. And yeah, guys, the thing still stays the same. I think PNG is still a 100x coin on the realistic end, and that is just my personal opinion. I think $20 PNG is very realistic.